Hi, my name is Jojo Lampka. I'm a biology major and public health minor here at Santa Clara University. Right now we are in a research lab on campus where I spent a lot of time this summer learning about the practical applications of microbiology concepts, especially as they relate to E. coli. One of my favorite things about the biology department is that anything the school has to offer is achievable if you just put in the effort and ask around. If you would like to learn more about the biology department, check us out on the website.
Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm an environmental science major and a history minor, class of 2024. Here, we're in the Forage Garden, which hosts all sorts of programs that teach students how to garden, build community, eat sustainably, and grow food. Classes in the environmental studies and science department typically use the Forge as a living laboratory to learn more about water resources, agriculture, and ecology. A special thing about our department is that we don't just limit learning to the classroom. We're actively trying to go outside and engage in hands-on activities in the outdoors. If you want to learn more about ESS, come visit us at our department's website.
Hi, my name is Luke Roberto, and I'm a biochemistry major in the class of 2023.
Hi, my name is Alicia, and I'm a junior chemistry major from Greenwood, Mississippi.
Welcome to the Chemistry and Biochemistry Department, located in the Sobrato campus for discovery and innovation.
This is our department's touchdown space, located near our organic chemistry teaching labs and research labs. Every day you'll find students collaborating on schoolwork, discussing research plans, or lounging after class. I love coming here to study as I know I'll see familiar faces that I can rely on to keep me motivated and to ask questions if I need help on assignments. Our department office is just down the hall, and it's easy to find professors for one-on-one assistance.
I'd like to offer you a warm welcome to the Chemistry and Biochemistry Department's instrument room. Students here have the unique opportunity to use modern instrumentation in both research and undergraduate courses. Such instruments like the MALDI-TOF or the liquid chromatography mass spectrometer are utilized in cutting-edge research laboratories, and our students are well prepared by Santa Clara instruction for biotech and medical research internships due to their familiarity with a variety of instruments and chemical analysis techniques. Welcome to the Souljack Lab. I joined a research lab at the beginning of my junior year, and I've loved having the opportunity to explore science topics in greater depth that can be covered in a normal lecture setting. Here in the Souljack Lab, one of our interests is the study and selection of aptamers, single-stranded DNA molecules, which offer an inexpensive and stable targeting molecule for the binding of cancer biomarkers. I've had the opportunity to start a new research project in the lab focused on developing microfluidic, paper-based analytical devices, which has enabled me to combine my interest in 3D design with chemical analysis. One of the things I love about our department is that research opportunities are introduced early in our coursework, and students are always encouraged to reach out to professors to join research groups. Santa Clara undergraduates get opportunities to present their research at professional conferences and frequently end up as co-authors on publications. Thanks for visiting, and I hope to see you on campus in the future. Go Broncos!
Hi, my name is Skylar Waite. Let me show you to my lab. So I am a fourth year physics major. I'm a senior. I'm actually an engineering physics major, but I still do a lot of physics. In this lab is where I perform some physics research. Here we have just an electrical station. Over here is just a place to study, code, talk with my lab partners. And if you follow me over here, this is the lab that we perform spectroscopy in. We take some very powerful lasers and shoot them into gases and crystals to study their properties.
Hi, my name is Hannah Aguirre, and I am a fourth year physics and Spanish double major with a math minor. I'm going to show you the research lab that I work in the Santa Clara physics department. So this is a solid state research lab. We basically examine the electronic properties of crystal structures, specifically usually semi-metals. So we start here with the laser, and it gets sent all the way through this setup and through these optics to this end of the table where the sample is, and basically the pulses of the laser excite the electrons in the atoms in the sample, and then we send it to the detector, and evaluate the change in reflectivity as a function of time. So here are the vacuum chambers where we keep our samples. As you can see, they're basically just little pieces of flat metal so that we can easily measure the reflectivity or the change in reflectivity. They have to be kept under vacuum because many of these samples are pretty reactive and we don't want them to be oxidized.
So this is what we call the SPS room. SPS stands for the Society of Physics Students. This is a good workspace for all of us to hang out, do homework, help each other studying. The Society of Physics Students is Santa Clara's physics club. We host events, we talk about conferences, we go on field trips sometimes. We have actually two clubs, one of which is
the Women in Physics Club. So in addition to the Society of Physics Students, we have WIP, and we support our female physics majors. And so we also host events and go on field trips, and we go to a physics conference called QWIP, which stands for the Collegiate Undergraduate Women in Physics Conference. And basically we talk about how to better support and better advocate for women in the field of physics. In addition to these clubs, a lot of us physics majors do other activities. So for example, I'm on the women's cross country and track team. And
I also play Club Ultimate Frisbee. So while we're busy doing physics a lot of the time, there's also plenty of time to do other fun activities that we all enjoy.
so if you would like more information on Santa Clara's physics department, please visit the Santa Clara University website, and under academic programs you can find physics and engineering physics. And always remember, go Broncos!
Hello, my name is Natalie Playa, class of 2024, and I am both a French and math major, and welcome to the Department of Math and Computer Science. Here in the Department of Math and Computer Science in O'Connor Hall, students have the opportunity to research with some of our amazing faculty and staff. I'm standing here in our assessment room, which is the hub for student activities and studying here in our Math and Computer Science department. In this room, we have collaboration space where students can work together on problems, as well as space for things like socials. I, for one, have been to several math and computer science socials in this room, and it's just a really fun space to work with other students. As well, professors will sometimes come down here and help students as needed. One of the programs through our Math and Computer Science Society is our mentorship program, which pairs first year and sophomore students with upper division students to help them learn more about what is offered here in our Math and Computer Science department, as well as opportunities for them after Santa Clara University.
Hi, I'm Trisha. I'm a lab tech here at the Imaginarium. We have a whole bunch of cool equipment if you ever want to come in and test it out. We have 20 different stations with HP Reverb headsets, which are VR headsets essentially. And we have 20 Wacom tablets as well, in case anyone is interested in digital art or photo editing and things along the lines. We also have a lot of different programs, such as Unity if you are interested in game development, the Adobe Creative Cloud if you're interested in a variety of editing, and Blender if you're interested in 3D modeling. Here, there are a lot of different projects and opportunities you can get involved with. For me personally, I'm involved with 2 different research projects as part of the Imaginarium. And one of them is a project known as Restless, where we're kind of trying to simulate the experience of social anxiety for people who don't necessarily have it themselves in kind of a more abstract way. So for example, the way that someone's thoughts may overwhelm them in a certain situation is created in a kind of visual manner where you can see how the light will focus on you and words will fly around and overwhelm you type of situation. And then another project that I'm a part of is I'm doing research on how social media and people on social media have been shown to interact with fictional characters and how various parasocial relationships with characters are being perceived by both outsiders and the people experiencing those dynamics themselves.
Hi, I'm San Salazar, and I am a lab technician here at Imaginarium, where we are an intersection between arts, humanity, and technology. Here at the Imaginarium, I do basically all my student activities here because this place just enables me to do that. There's a lot of resources here that make me do basically whatever I want to be the best student I can be. I didn't even know that I would want to be working at some projects that I am working on now. I also found a community within here because there are students similar to me who would be working on the same things as I am, and we would bond over that thing and also push ourselves to be better and make our projects better too. So currently, the projects I'm working on, the biggest one right now is reality capture / photogrammetry, which is basically creating 3D models of any real 3D object thing, and being able to put it anywhere from a game or just visually.